Emergency preparedness, 3 essential items men should have at home in uncertain times. In today's uncertain world, staying informed about the latest political events and being prepared for emergencies is not just wise but essential. In this article, we will discuss 3 crucial items that every man should have at home to ensure their survival and well-being in the event of a crisis. We'll also emphasize the importance of taking current political events seriously and being proactive in your preparations. 1. Emergency food and water supplies. Stockpiling non-perishable food items and clean drinking water is paramount. In times of crisis, access to these essentials may become limited. Consider canned goods, dried foods, and long-lasting staples. Ensure you have enough for yourself and your family for an extended period. Regularly rotate your supplies to maintain freshness. 2. First aid kit and medical supplies. A comprehensive first aid kit is indispensable. It should include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and essential medical supplies. Prescription medications should be stored in a secure, accessible place. Familiarize yourself with basic first aid procedures and consider taking a first aid course. 3. Emergency power and communication. A reliable source of power during an outage is crucial. Invest in a generator, solar panels, or a backup power source. Communication is key in emergencies. Have a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to stay informed about developments. Keep a list of important contacts and designate a meeting point for your family. Taking political events seriously and preparing. It's essential to pay close attention to the political climate in your country and around the world. Political events can have a significant impact on your safety and well-being. Here are a few reasons why staying informed and prepared is crucial. Early warning. By monitoring political events, you can often anticipate potential crises or unrest. This gives you valuable time to prepare adequately. Adaptability. Being prepared means you're ready to adapt to changing circumstances. Whether it's a natural disaster or a political crisis, having a plan in place can make a world of difference. Check the description box for more resources. In the video description box, you'll find links to additional resources and guides on emergency preparedness, including detailed checklists and recommended products. Take the initiative to prepare yourself and your family for any unforeseen events. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and describe your own preparedness efforts or any additional tips you might have in the comments section. Together, we can foster a culture of readiness and resilience in these uncertain times.